We are going to be drinking this Dr. Pepper, the whole thing, without burping a single time. And then it's all going to come out in the end.
It's going to
So,
come out.
yes. Hope you enjoy the video.
Enjoy. Is it on? I'm about to burp. Oh, burn.
Chug it. Almost done.
Better chug it than I am. Oh, it hurts.
Having some chocolate bear packed right in here.
I have it right here. I can walk around.
Oh, man. No burps yet.
I never tried to hold in a burp